Hello friends, so we are going to discuss about the potential upside visible on the current price chart of GPRO or Gopro INC. But the most important thing is the very high volatility, and also we are talking about the current trend or very immediate price behavior. So the first and most important thing is the stock must not fall below the support and the stop loss, which in this case are 0.86, which is our support, and we have 0.78 as far as the stop loss is concerned. So sustainability above these two levels are mandatory. That is number one. Number two, only if the stock continue to trade and sustain above 0.86, then you can go or think of any further up move, and the levels which are now active starts with your very immediate target, which is 1.18. After 1.18 we have 1.44, and then we have 1.75 as far as our next couple of targets are concerned. But that's where the stock will find its resistance. If you want to go beyond 1.75 or more, then that requires another breakout, and only if there is a move beyond 1.75, then you can go for 2.4. We have 2.76, and the stock can even stretch up to the highs of 3.1 moving forward. So overall this is a range which I'm talking about, but because of the very high volatility you must be cautious about the levels and take one step at a time. What is active right now is only this part. After 1.18 this will be the first tranche, and only after 1.75 you can go for the second tranche, including 2.4, 2.76 and 3. If you want to go any further, then that requires another breakout. Also, these kind of moves are not sustainable, which is clearly visible while looking at the overall price behavior, where the stock went up and has fallen as quickly as it can. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.